Yo, what is up guys, Stromatic here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remote control your Codex application from your phone. So I know lots of people know how to do remote control with Claude. I'll be showing you how to do this with Codex. So you first start off by opening your Codex app, whether that be on your Windows or Mac computer, and you go down here in the bottom left where it says your name, okay? You're going to press that and go right here to settings. So once you press settings, you'll see this whole entire menu here, and then on the left side, you'll see tabs. So you can see all these different tabs here. You're going to go down where it says coding, and then press the tab that says connections, okay? When you press connections, you'll be able to see here it says control this Mac. You know, if you're on Windows, it'll say control this device, whatever. And it says devices that can control this, you know, in this instance, Mac. And I have two here. You can revoke access or whatever. But here, right here, you click add, okay? This little white button that says add, you press that, and then you'll see it comes up with this, right? And it's a QR code that you scan. You can either use it for your phone, or you can do it on another computer. It says here on a computer, settings, connections, controller, devices. So you just copy this code and put it on your different computer. Or you can do it on your phone and you scan this QR code and it will show you a prompt to open it up on your phone. So then I'll show you guys where to go on your phone to actually control your Mac. Okay, so now I'm on my phone, and if you press up here in the top left, this little tab, you'll see that it opens up ChatGPT. And on the bottom here, it's going to say remote. And when you go to this, you're going to just press this remote tab here, and you'll see it's already in where it says here, Mac Mini, local, remote, and it's green, so that means it's on. If it's yellow, it's likely in sleep mode, and then if there's nothing, then it's most likely off. But you'll have your folders, and from here you can go into each folder, and even into your chats you've had on your Mac, and communicate through that way. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. As always guys, it's been the one and only Stromatic, and this is how you remote control your Codex application from your phone. Peace.